Everyone, welcome back to Studio 10. I'm sitting here today with our real estate expert, Kyle Seyboth with Century 21. Welcome back in, Kyle.
Absolutely. Thank you, as always.
Yeah, so we talk about this a lot, but it must be because it's still relevant and it's still something that you're seeing people do. Downsizing. What's going on,
Yes.
do you think, with downsizing in 2026?
I think the biggest problem, the reason we talk about it a lot is because there's still a lot to go. And what I mean by that is there's still so many baby boomers that own these properties where they don't need the space, they don't need the location, they don't need the school system, but yet they're stuck because they don't know what to do next. So they own a 3,000 square foot colonial in XYZ town, and they're not sure how to proceed to get that one level ranch, or to move to Florida, or to move down south, or to move across the country. And I think that's why I talk about this all the time, is because I think the pent up demand for a seller here is just dramatic. There's a big need for it. And I think a lot of people are just nervous to get started.
Yeah, and it's been a while since they've done this, right? Maybe they remember what it was like back then, and they don't even know what it would be like for them now. I mean, some of these people bought these houses maybe before they had kids.
A lot of them are 40 years they've been in the house, 30, 40 years. So if you haven't transacted in real estate in 30 or 40 years, you don't even know where to start. And, you know, I'm here to tell you that it starts with a phone call. It starts with a phone call. It starts with an in-person meeting. And then it's just walking through the steps, right? These steps are very, very simple that I can walk someone through when I sit down and understand their situation. What are your wants? What are your needs? What are your desires? Where do you want to go? And how can I make it happen? And it doesn't cost you anything for me to come in and go through the process. And I think it's good to know that, so when the time is right, you're ready to make that move.
What would you say to someone who does see, you know, what their interest rate once was or is if they still have a mortgage, and, you know, now they're probably a little higher than they were?
You have to face the situation at hand, and you're going to have to bite the bullet on one side or the other and say, look, I'm going to get top dollar for my home, and because of that, I'm going to have to pay a little bit more on the interest rate because it's allowed me to get all this money because of inflation and where the pricing is. So
who knows? They might not have a mortgage.
That's a lot of times too. A lot of people don't have a mortgage. A lot of people that have owned these houses for 30 or 40 years, unless they refinance multiple times, they don't have a mortgage. So you just need to say, I'm going to sell for X, I can buy for Y, and whatever's left over, put away to save in case you need it for a rainy day. That's the way I look at it.
All right, amazing, Kyle. If people are interested in downsizing, how can they reach you and your team?
You guys can call me directly, 508-726-3492.
All right, amazing. Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you.